Hey, what's up everyone? This is going to be another news related video. So first, heavy rain could cause flooding in the east into next week as unusual weather pattern returns. I know here in the southern central areas in Tennessee, the Tennessee Valley area, we've been dealing with quite a bit of rain for the past several days, and there's been a lot of fog. There was a lot of fog today into earlier this morning at about 8 to 9 o'clock. The fog still remained very thick in our area, and more rain is expected today and midweek next week. Monday and Tuesday in our area look to be clear so far. But heavy rain could bring more flooding, though, into parts of the east next week. Starting into during early part of next week, as this somewhat strange weather pattern makes a reappearance. A southward plunge of the jet stream will develop over the east and give birth to an area of low pressure in the upper atmosphere this weekend, and that low pressure system will only move slowly eastward while tapping into that tropical moisture, triggering the development of showers and storms in the east. So this is that outlook, the low pressure with the southward jet stream plunge going straight downward into the Tennessee Valley, and it's interacting with the tropical moisture in the east, creating this rainfall for the majority of the east coast. I know we've been dealing with quite a bit of rain, and yesterday's rain lasted most all day long, and then we had flood warnings, and it only moved at 2 miles per hour. So these storms, very, very slow movers. These storms are very slow movers. So it's unusual to see this type of amplified north to south oriented jet stream pattern in summer, since it typically follows, they said it typically flows in a pattern west to east fashion near the Canadian border this time of year. But the jet stream's deciding to have a mind of its own and do its own thing, and this unusual weather pattern is starting again. So they say we're not supposed to see this kind of pattern in the summer, but we are. Once again, the second time it's happened this summer. What's even more unusual is this time we've already seen similar jet stream patterns to occur twice in the eastern states since late July, propelling Pennsylvania and Maryland to their wettest and second wettest Julys on record, respectively. Locally, heavy rainfall is expected in the northeast Saturday due to this frontal system lingering in the region before the upper level low develops. So all of these areas shown here expect lots of water and lots of rain and possible flooding. Lots of thunderstorms expected for the areas shown here as this wet pattern of weather is ahead. That's the forecast shown below for these areas and the forecasted highs and lows for each day. Well, at least the highs. Flash flood watches are going to be across the areas of the East Coast. Heightened flood threats are likely throughout the area after Pennsylvania and other areas just dealt with flooding that nearly broke their dam. And it's hard to pinpoint, it's too early exactly to see which exact areas are going to deal with what, but they have a preliminary report shown here. It's safe to say that there will be numerous showers and thunderstorms across the region early next week, no matter what, though. We can still say that. So that is the outlook. Through Tuesday, this is the outlook. So from the Tennessee Valley area, expecting 1 inch and above all the way through the East Coast and the northeastern areas of the United States. And with the fires still raging in the west, they really need some rain, but they're just not receiving any sort of relief as of right now. So on to the other news. And more weather-related news. 1,427 people are dead, not 64. Puerto Rico massively updates its Hurricane Maria death toll, so they were wrong about Hurricane Maria. 1,427 people actually died from that storm. On to this beautiful and terrifying apocalyptic cloud that engulfed Anna, Illinois. Again, they've received this already once, but it happened again this August. This is one of the images. These are several of the pictures I'm going to show you now. I have some very interesting cloud pictures that I want to show sometime very soon. As you can see, people taking pictures of this. It is something else to witness there. New rifts and cracks and sinkholes are opening up around this particular area, this volcano in Iceland. Tungnafellsjökull, I guess that's what that's pronounced. So more cracks opening up, and the ongoing activity is volcanic activity creating sinks and crack holes in Hawaii's national parks. Still going on. Another of a volcanic eruption. They said it's amazing. Here's another volcano that's erupting right now. We're dealing with a lot right now. The Chilean volcano erupted at noon, so I was correct on my Chile volcano. The Chilean volcano erupted as of 2 days ago. I said it was next. I said then close to a month that the Chilean volcano would erupt, and it's been a little bit over a month. A week later than I predicted, but it is still happening. They said it sent a plume of ash and gas 1,500 meters into the air August 8th. The technical alert has been maintained to orange. It's very impressive. This Saharan dust storm arrived in southwest Florida after a 6,000-mile journey from Africa. Again. So, check out this Saharan dust storm that covered Florida. Now, this covered almost the entire state of Florida, and then went all the way into the Gulf of Mexico and Texas. Now, they claim, they even have a tracking Sahara dust tracker for this. And an individual spoke to me about this, and I believe this to be an ME. I don't ever remember this in my life, that being a regular thing. They're telling us it's a regular thing. They even have a satellite tracker for it, and they claim that it happens every single year on a regular basis, 3 months out of the year. I don't remember this at all. Even people living there have spoken to me on the YouTube comment section and told me that they don't remember it as well. There was an individual speaking with me that said it made her an ME believer because of my video, and I appreciate that comment, by the way, because she had never seen anything like this before. Then they claim it's a regular thing. So let me know what your thoughts are on this. I don't remember this happening every year. So it's not just Florida. Ecosystems collapse around this world. Seagulls dropping from the sky. Millions of fish are dying. Whales are stranding unusually and stranding themselves. So these millions of deaths of these millions of animals worldwide, the ecosystems are going crazy. So let me know your thoughts. Just giving you the latest news. Peace and much love. Bye.